Hello students, now we are going to learn how to solve the question number 3 in exercise 3.6, that is trigonometry chapter for class 11 students. So before going to question number 3, let's subscribe our channel so that you can get updates immediately and click the bell icon too. Okay. So this question number 3 is the most frequently asked question in the examination point of view. So please listen to that carefully. Okay. So show that sine 12 degree, sine 48 degree, sine 54 degree is equal to 1 by 8. So to solve this, we can take that left hand side first. So sine 12 degree, sine 48 degree, sine 54 degree. So before solving this, in previous problem, that is in question number 1, we have taken the sine A, sine B format and multiply and divide that by 2 so that we can apply 2 sine A, sine B or 2 sine A cos B formulas. Okay. So we are having the formula for 2 sine A, sine B here, but here 2 is not there. So we are multiplying and dividing by 2 here. Okay. So 1 by 2 into 2, sine 12 degree, sine 48 degrees. We are taking the first two terms and the next third term as it is. Okay. So 2 sine A, sine B here. So what is the formula for 2 sine A, sine B? 2 sine A, sine B is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So here your A is 12 degrees and B is 48 degrees, or your A is 48 degrees, B is 12 degrees. Whatever you can take that. Okay. So now your 2 sin A sin B can be written as 1 by 2 into cos A minus B. So that cos 48 degree minus 12 degrees minus cos A plus B. So that 48 degrees plus 12 degrees into sin 54 degree. So this sin 54 degree can be written as sin 90 degree minus 36 degree. So your 90 minus 36 is your 54. So why we are converting this like sin 90 minus theta means here in both the terms we are having cos as the trigonometry function. So to convert this term also into a cos function, we are converting this sin as cos. So we are making this sin 54 as sin 90 degree minus 36 degree. Okay. So what is your sin 90 minus theta? That's your cos theta. Okay. So here 1 by 2 into sin cos 48 degree minus 12 degrees is 36 minus cos 48 plus 12 is 60. So into sin 90 minus theta is your cos theta. So that cos 36 here. Okay. So 1 by 2 into cos 36 degree, and your what's the value of this cos 60 degree? That is from trigonometric table. We are having the cos 60 degree value as cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. So that we are making this 1 by 2 instead of cos 60 degree. So cos 60 degree is your 1 by 2 into cos 36. If you are multiplying 1 by 2 cos 36 degree with this means we will get 1 by 2 cos 36 degree square minus 1 by 4 cos 36 degree. So now we have to know the value for this cos 36 degree. So to get cos 36 degree we are having some steps. That is let's theta as 18 degree, so that your phi theta will be 90 degrees. So let's multiply both sides by 5. So your phi theta is 90 degrees. So that let's make this 5 theta as 2 theta plus 3 theta. So that 2 theta plus 3 theta is equal to 90 degrees. So let's multiply both sides by sin theta here. So before doing that, let's have this 2 theta. So 2 theta is equal to 90 degree minus 3 theta. So if we multiply sine on both sides, we will get sine 2 theta is equal to sine 90 degree minus 3 theta. So what is your sine 90 degree minus theta? That is your cos theta. So this will be written as cos 3 theta. Okay. So now your cos 2 theta and cos 3 theta are same, which that is we know the formula for sine 2 theta and cos 3 theta. What are all the formulas? Your sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta, and your cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So these formulas and all I have explained previously in basic trigonometric formulas part 3. So please go through that formula. I will give the link in description. Okay. So now if we take all these to the left hand side means 2 sin theta cos theta minus 4 cos cube theta plus 3 cos theta is equal to 0. So these are all come to the left hand side now. So let's have the cos theta as a common. So cos theta into if we taken out the cos theta from first term we will get 2 sin theta, and from the second term we will get minus 4 cos square theta, and from third term we will get plus 3 which is equal to 0. So now divide both the sides with by cos theta. We will get 2 sin theta minus 4 cos square theta plus 3 is equal to 0. So now what's your cos square theta? That is 1 minus sin square theta. This is from the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So that your cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. So that is how this formula came. Why we are converting this cos square theta as a 1 minus sin square theta means here you are having sin theta. So to have all the terms in terms of sin theta, we are converting this cos square theta as sin in terms of sin square theta. Okay. So let's multiply this 4 into this term. So 2 sin theta minus 4 into 1 minus 4 minus 4 into minus sin square theta plus 4 sin square theta plus 3 is equal to 0. So that 4 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta minus 4 plus 3 is your minus 1 which is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation in sin theta. So if we solve this quadratic equation we will get the value of sin theta. So how to solve this quadratic equation? What is the formula for solving quadratic equation? That is your sin theta is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of plus b square minus 4ac divided by 4 times a. Here your a is 4, your b is 2 and your c is minus 1. So let's solve this equation. That is sin theta is minus b, that is minus 2 plus or minus b square minus 4ac, that is 2 square minus 4 into a is your 4 into c is your minus 1 divided by 2 times a which is 2 times 4. So minus 2 plus or minus 2 square 4 plus if we multiply this we will get 16 divided by 8. So minus 2 plus or minus 20 root of 20 divided by 8. So minus 2 plus or minus your root 20 value is 2 root 5 divided by 8. So if we take 2 as a common, we will get minus 1 plus or minus square root of 5 divided by 8. So if we cancel this 2 and 8 means you will get your sin theta as square root of 5 plus or minus minus 1 divided by 4. So this is the value of your sin theta. Now what is the value of your theta? So we have taken theta as 18 degree at the first step. So that you will get, so theta is 18 degree. So 18 degree lies in the first quadrant. So 0 to 90 degrees lies in the first quadrant. So in first quadrant all the trigonometric functions are positive only. So that your sin 18 degree is also positive because it lies in first quadrant. Okay. So we can write this sin theta as minus 1 plus root 5 divided by 4. So the plus or minus will be converted as only plus. There is no minus here because sin 80 degree is positive. Okay. So now let's have cos 36 degree as cos 2 into 18. So we have to find the value of cos 36 degree, no? So the cos 36 degree is written as cos 2 into 18 degrees. So that you can have your cos 2 theta formula here. So cos 2 into 18 degrees. So what is your cos 2a formula? That is 1 minus 2 sin square a formula, because we are having the value for sin. So we are converting this cos term into a sin term. So we are applying this formula. So cos 2a is 1 minus 2 sin square a. So that 1 minus 2 sin square your a is theta 18 degree here. Okay. So let's apply this sin 18 degree value to this means we will get 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus root 5 divided by 4 the whole square. Okay. So 1 minus 2 into minus 1 plus root 5 the whole square divided by the 4 square is 16. So 1 minus 1 plus root 5 the whole square divided by 16. So this is in this is now an a plus b the whole square form. So we can write this as 8 minus 1 plus root 5 the whole square divided by 8. So we are taking LCM in this step. So next 8 minus, this is a plus b the whole square. So first a square minus 1 square is 1 and root 5 square is 5 plus 2ab. Therefore 2 into minus 1 into your b is root 5 divided by 8. So 8 minus 1 plus 5 is 6. So if you multiply these terms, you will get minus 2 root 5 divided by 8. So where 8 minus 6 is 2 here. So 2 minus 2 root 5 divided by 8. So if we take 2 as a common, 2 into 1 minus root 5 by 8. So that it is 1 plus root 5 by 4. 2 and 8 can be cancelled with the second table. So here why this plus sign came means your 36 degree lies in first quadrant. So in first quadrant all the trigonometric functions are positive, so that your 1 minus root 5 by 4 can be converted into 1 plus root 5 by 4 here. So the value of your cos 36 degree is 1 plus root 5 divided by 4. Okay. So now we have the value for cos 36 degree. So let's apply this in your left hand side. That what is your left hand side? 1 by 2 into cos square 36 degree plus 1 by 4 into cos 36 degree. That is, your left hand side is 1 by 2 cos 36 degrees square minus 1 by 4 cos 36 degree. So in terms of cos 36 degree, we are applying the value 1 root 5 plus 1 by 4. Okay. So now elaborate this square term. We will get 1 by 2 into 4 square is 16 into, this is in a plus b the whole square form. So your a square is 5 plus your b square is 1 plus your 2ab is 2 into 1 into root 5, that is 2 root 5 minus 1 by 4 into this 4 into root 5 plus 1. So this is your 1 by 32 into 6 plus 2 root 5 minus 1 by 16 into root 5 plus 1. Therefore, if we take 2 as common from this, so we can write this 2 by root 32, 2 by 32 into 3 plus root 5 minus 1 by 16 into root 5 plus 1. So that this can be written as 1 by 16 into 3 plus root 5 minus 1 by 16 into 1 plus root 5. So taking this 1 by 16 as common, 3 plus root 5 minus root 5 minus 1. So minus root 5 and plus root 5 will get cancelled here. So your 3 minus 1 is 2. So 1 by 16 into 2. So what is your 1 by 16 into 2? That is 1 by 8. So this is your right hand side, what is to be proved in your problem. Okay. So here I have solved the steps for getting cos 36 value, but no need to solve those steps when you are solving this problem in the examination point of view. Just to know how the value for cos 36 came, I have solved those steps. So just apply the value, just memorize the value for cos 36 as cos 36 is equal to 1 plus root 5 by 4 only. That's enough for you. Okay. So in the examination point of view, so that's all about the problem. So now we have proved that the left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay. So I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts and questions, just comment to yadumkeli20@gmail.com. So and if you want any more problems to be solved by me, just comment in the comment section. Okay. Before that, please subscribe our channel so that you can get all the updates immediately and click the bell icon too. Thank you.